The lighting that we have, for the most part, are pretty old. We have some that are upwards of 25 years old. The newest system we have, I believe, is 15 years old. They are not nearly as energy efficient as the current systems. They are expensive to replace. The spillage and the glare that people see from those lights can be somewhat annoying, and we're trying to rectify that and also save some money from the energy efficiency that the new systems can give us. The ones that we're looking to install will be anywhere from like 35% to maybe 65% more efficient. And then the replacement program for bulbs is covered by the warranties that we have through Musco.
When Musco first started producing sports lighting 40 plus years ago, again, the metal halide systems were so inefficient. 25% of the light got on the field, 75% went into sky glow and neighborhood spill.
Some of the biggest concerns we hear are from the neighbors that live pretty close to the fields. The lighting sometimes will cast glare over the area. They can see the lights, and if the lights are not shielded or not directed properly, they can be a little bit annoying. So we try to deal with those as best we can, and I know that the new systems that we're trying to get installed are going to help alleviate those concerns a lot. The cutoff is spectacular. The glare is considerably reduced, so I think overall people will be very happy with the new systems.
Over the years, Musco was the first one to add optics into our reflectors to start catching the light, directing more onto the field. We started adding visors to shield the light better, and finally, with the invention of the white LED, because it's so directional, we no longer have to reflect it off of a reflective surface, so we can fully shield it for the first time and keep any direct glare out of the neighborhoods.
When we look at new lighting system, we look at several things. We look at the overall cost. We look at the energy efficiency, the cutoff at the field edge, the glare that may be visible from the surrounding general area. We also look at the warranties that are provided by the various companies, and then just the track record of the company that's providing the systems. What kind of similar facilities have they been able to light, what the success rate has been for those, and then what types of other facilities have they lit, just to kind of see what kind of capability they have.
While 90% of our work is your local parks and your schools, we do have the privilege of doing a lot of the professional stadiums. We've done over 200 college stadiums. The LED addition to the sports lighting world has meant a lot of retrofits of existing stadiums, and we've been privileged to do the majority of them. So we do have over half of the professional stadiums are now Musco lighting LED.
As we build new facilities down the road, whether it be sports fields or it be neighborhood parks or community parks, we will look at systems similar to this and see what kind of application that the LED systems can provide us. There's pathway lighting that can be utilize LED technology, as well as the sports fields that we were talking about earlier. So there are options for us to use that technology in various applications. So we will definitely look at that as we go forward with new projects.